Hello everyone, welcome to our international business learning video. On this occasion, we will discuss the important topic of global market and business center. The material will give you an insight into how international companies operate around the world and how strategic locations such as New York, Singapore, or Dubai can become center of global business active. Center of Global Business Active. Let's get started right away. Okay. And what is the global market? Mm, global market is a system of international trade where products, service, technology, capital, and labor can move across countries. And this means that the global market is not just one country, but the whole world. For example, when an Indonesian company sells coffee to German or buys a machine for Japan, it means they are already involved in the global market. And the global market opens up great opportunities for companies to research more consumer, especially if domestic market is started and acquired chapter raw material or labor, such as outsourcing to developing countries. And factor affecting the global market. Hmm, there are four main factors that influence how company can search in the global market. Number one, economy. Countries with high income are usually active with this market due their due to their large purchasing power. However, developing countries also have high growth potential, um, as many consumers are just entering the middle class. And two, politics and law. Politics stability is very important. Country with frequent riots or sudden policy change can scare off fragile investor. In additional, in addition, a fair and transparent legal system also determine whether foreign business feels safe. And what is global business center? Hmm, A global business center in a rest usually a big city where international business activities gather. Here, many multinational companies open headquarters, finance center, and logistics center. Some characteristics of global business center include international transportation access or airport, large ports, sophisticated communication and technology network, and educational workplace. Yan. In example, New York, the financial and business center of the Americas, and Singapore, the gateway to Southeast Asia, and Dubai plays an important role for the Middle East and Africa. The role of global business center. Global business centers are important because they are the place where strategic business decisions are made. In, addi- in addition, center also provide quick access to international business information. Here, for example, Google has its headquarters in Silicon Valley, but they have a product development center in India. Because they are many great programmers that are in more cost efficient. Global market entry strategy. For companies looking to expand their business into international markets, there are several key strategies to choose from. Direct export. This is the simple strategies. Products are made domestically and sold overseas. The advantage is the costs are lower. However, control over the Virgin market is limited. Tyson and Francis companies grant right to Virgin parties to use their brands and business system suitable for end customer products such as fast food or retail. And joint venture. The company cooperate with local company in their destination country, advance can share risks and gain local knowledge. But the challenge, high trust between partners is required. And foreign direct investment or FDI. The company builds its own facilities such as factories or branch office in another country. Um, uh, this gives full control but comes at high costs and high risks. In challenge in global market and business countries, not everything is smooth sailing in international business. There are real challenges such as trade politics. For example, high import traffic or bans or uh, curtain export and currency exchange return retest when currency rate changes drastically, profit can turn into losses. And international politics, such as economic sanctions, trade wars, or diplomatic conflict, and recent trend in the global market. mm, the world is changed and the global market is changing with it. Here are some of the latest trends. Business digitalization, cross-border sales are now mostly through e-commerce. Amazon, Shopee, Alibaba are leading this trend. In environment, environmental concern, global consumers are increasingly concerned about environmentally friendly products. Globalization of the workplace means jobs can now be done remotely, allowing companies to recruit talent from anywhere. Market diversification. Companies are not only relying on large markets like the US and Europe, but also targeting Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Um, in conclusion, understanding global market and business center is key for anyone who wants to success in international business. We are not just talking about selling product abroad, but also about how to adapt to dynamic and complex global market. Global business centers are important because they are a place where strategic business decisions are made. In addition, the center also provides quick access to international business information. Um, Real life example, Google has a headquarters in Silicon Valley, but they have a product development center in India because there are many great programmers, the end programmer and it's more cost efficient. Global market entry strategies. Um, for companies looking to expand the business into international markets, there are several key strategies to choose from. Mm, Direct export. This is the in simple strategy product are made domestically and sold overseas. The advance is the costs are lower, however, control over the fragile market limited. In conclusion, understanding global markets and business center is key for anyone who wants to success in international business. Okay, bye. Thank you.